So in this video, I'm going to show you how we create a basic query in Access. So if you watched the previous video, I showed you how to import data from an external source. Now what you may want to do now is perform some queries on that data. So what a query is, it's almost like a bit of a search. As you can see on the screen, I've got lots and lots of data, but I might not necessarily want to be able to see it all at once. I might want to be able to search for specific cars in this example. I might want to look for certain criteria like the cheaper cars or the more expensive cars or all the cars that are silver. And rather than going through and going, right, well, that car's silver, that one's silver, that one's silver, that one's silver, and checking through by eye, we want to let the Access, the database management software, do that job for us. So to do that, create what's called a query. So we can do two ways of doing a query. We can click Query Design, which takes this screen here where you have to do it all manually yourself, or we can use the Query Wizard, which basically does it all for us. So you click Query Wizard and you click OK, and then you choose what table you want. So I've only got one table called cars, so I can use that one. Then I can choose which fields I want to see. So I don't care about the ID, don't need that. I want to know what the manufacturer is, the model is, and if it needs cleaning or not. Press Next, and then click Modify the Query Design. And this brings up this menu again. Now if you decide, oh actually, I want to see the car's colour as well, we can just double click any of the fields you want extra. And then we can start adding criteria. So you've got the field you want, what table it's from, then you can sort how you want it. So if you want it to be alphabetical order, ascending or descending, you then whether you want to show it in the query or not. So you could have all of these ticked, then go ID for example and say I don't want to see that. And then you've got the criteria you want. So I want to see all the cars that need a clean. So you press that and then press Run, and you see the Toyota, the Ford, the Audi, the Vauxhall, the Honda, the MG, the Renault and the Skoda all need a clean. And it tells me their colour, and it doesn't show the ID because I unchecked that box. And click this and go back to view. What if I wanted to show all of the Audis that needed cleaning? I could say, right, Audi. So what this query is, it's searching for all the cars that the manufacturer is Audi and it needs a clean. So I press Run, and you see it's got Audi that needs a clean, and it's told us the colour. So that is almost what's called an AND. It has to be Audi and it has to have a Y in the record, otherwise it won't show. Now what if I want to see all of the Fords that need cleaning as well? So I've got Ford and I've got Y again. Now this query is now all of the cars that are Audi and need cleaning, or if it's a Ford and it needs cleaning. So you see it's got the two cars, it's got the Ford Fiesta in blue and the Audi TT in green. So it's found both of those because I've got this and this, or this and this. Now if I take the Y out of that and run it again, you see I've got a lot more results. That's because it's picked up all the Audis that need clean, or if it's just a Ford, it'll just return it regardless. So it's manufacturer is Audi and it needs a clean, or it's a Ford, and it's pulled up all the results from that. So that is your basic sort of easy query. I will be showing you a few more different ways you can do queries in the next couple of videos, but hopefully that helped. And if you're struggling with doing queries, that sort of answered your question and solved any problems you've got. I'll see you in the next one.